Hey, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Tonight I have a Corbin kick. Don't know what's in it. I'm going to assume it's all standards, but it does have a really awesome bitting. Or terrible, I don't know, however you want to look at that. Now, this is a fat boy kick, and sometimes you get the 3D printed kick holders. This won't fit. If we go on the back end, I don't like how it sticks out so far. So what I found works really well, Euro holders. So get that off. Well, it did the other day for me. There we go. So granted, you do have a little, not a little, you have gap up here at the top. So when you first go to tension it, yeah, you might have rotation in it if your vise is not tight enough. So you can see how that wants to shift there, watching the Bible, but there we go. All right. One, got a click. Two, nothing. Three, little resistance when we go. There, got a click. Four, there. Get a little pressure, click. Is that 5? Yeah, okay. Back to 1. 1 feels like it's binding. Push on it a little. No, okay, doesn't really want to move. Come back to it here in a minute. Come up here. Might not be on it, actually. There we go. Got to click on 1. 2 feels loose, and we did have core movement when we set 1. All right, this is 4. Little core movement. And 5. Oh, all right, let's go back. 1, little click on 1. 2, 3, 4. Let's move it on forward. There we go. That's set. All right, let's go back to 1. Ooh. We just overset something. Let's try this from the bottom. So there might actually be some security pins in this. There. Cool. It's different. All right. Let's see here. It's got this weird ring on it. I have a key. Ow. Just bit my nail. I don't really want to do that. Tell you what here. I don't think I have anything to. Yeah. All right. right, I'm going to pause this, try to get this clip off, and we'll be back. Okay, got that sorted. What I ended up having to do was actually cut, bend, pry this thing off. There was the other end to it. Then I went to open it and realized that it's kind of hard to see it. Zoom in. This ring here was raised higher, which would not allow the cord to, or the plug to come out. So I ended up taking a file, filing that down so it would work, and here we are. Yeah, we'll shim this. So I really do want to know what pins are in there. There we go. So I was not expecting some of the feedback that I got. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and let's get drivers. In 1, we have a spool. It looks serrated, but no, it's not. Okay, it's just that one side. 2 is a spool. 3 is a thin lip spool. 4 is a spool. 5 is a spool. 6 is a spool. Alright, so this actually has some security pins in it. I didn't realize I was zoomed out like that. So let's zoom in here so we can see those. So we got the spools. And they're in 3s, like a thin lip spool. Yeah, it's pretty neat. So, and that is the Corbin with the fun bitting. All right. Thanks you guys for watching. If nobody told you, you matter, you're important, and I'm glad you're here. Y'all have a good night.